Find the average rate of change of the function r theta equals 2 cos theta. Well, okay, I know when I graph this, it's going to look something like U. It's a circle. It's going to go out to 2. And since it's positive cosine, it's going to look like that. Okay, perfect circle. I care about the average rate of change from pi over 2, which is going to be here, to 5 pi over 6, which I don't see 5 pi over 6, so it's going to live somewhere like over here. The average rate of change. All right, well, what's that going to look like? Buddy, I'm just going to treat this as if it's a regular old equation. All right, I need to find out what r of, why did I put theta there? I need to find out what r of 5/6 pi is, and then r of half a pi, and then do the old rate of change formula. It looks like r of b minus r of a over b minus a, where you're my a and you're my b. So 2 cosine 5 pi over 6. So the x value at 5 pi over 6 is going to be negative root 3 over 2. So this becomes 2 negative root 3 over 2. 2's cross out, negative root 3. The x value at pi over 2, 0. I already knew that. So 2 cosine 0, easy. Okay? So now let's plug it into that formula right there. R of b is going to be r of 5 pi over 6, so that's negative root 3, minus r of a is going to be 0, all over b, which is 5 pi over 6, minus a, which is pi over 2. All right, so nothing happens here. It's still negative root 3. I need to multiply the top and the bottom of u by 3, so that gives me 5 pi over 6. That doesn't change, but minus 3 pi over 6. Okay, so that's going to give me negative root 3, 2 pi over 6. So that's going to be negative root 3 over pi over 3. Multiply the top and the bottom by 3 over pi. Yep, 3 over pi, not 3 pi, 3 over pi. Can I move the pi down, or probably won't let me. Let me erase it. 3 over pi. So you completely cross out. And I get negative 3 root 3 over pi. Ugh. Boy, is that gross. That's how it's done.